guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time, but you know what? 2018 is going to be hashtag new year, new me. Anyways, so today I've been wanting to do this video for forever, and this is literally how I've been doing my eyebrows for a very long time now. I know I've always updated you guys on what current eyebrow routine I've been using, and this has actually been my favorite by far. And it's actually the most inexpensive eyebrow routine that I honestly feel, you know, doesn't break your bank account or anything like that. It's very affordable. Anyone can do it, and it's like pretty easy. So let's just get right into it. All right, so let's get started. I'm really up close and personal, but you know what, girl? I feel that we are one. So first off, obviously I'm going to be using all E.L.F. products, and the first product that I always like to use is the E.L.F. Wax Enhancer, Brow Enhancer. I don't know what it's called, but it's the wax from their brand. So it's just like a pencil wax-y thing where you can roll it up, roll it down, whatever. I personally really love this wax just because it's very inexpensive, and you know, your girl's on a budget. I'm just going to rub it all over this brow. So you guys are gonna see all of my chickenpox scars. Alright, so now that you guys are up close and personal to my face, you will see all my imperfections. Well, let's just not think about that right now, alright? So I'm gonna use this wax. I kind of like to put a generous amount. I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. brow pencil, and this is just a neutral brown. And I'm going to, ooh, there's a hair on that. I'm going to use the comb side of this to brush out the wax. And normally this is the time where I like to just cut any hairs that I feel that I don't like. I've been growing out my eyebrows lately. So now, as you guys can see, my brows, I kind of brushed them the way that I wanted them to. And I'm just going to use the other end, and I'm going to use this brow pencil. This is probably my third tube. I shit you not. Like, I'm not lying. Look, this is the one that I literally was using before this. And I have a little bit of products left, but whatever. I got a new one. And I just like to use this, and I like to just draw in the strokes and the way my hair is going. I don't really like to be too harsh. So I really like this brow pencil. I don't know, I forgot who, I think it was like MUA reviewed this brow pencil and didn't really like it. From what I remember, I don't know. I don't remember if he liked it or not, but I just remember him like not really loving it. But honestly, for the price, I feel like it's really great. So I just like to follow my hairline. And the way the directions my hair go, just so it looks super natural. So then now I'm just going to go in with the E.L.F. Eyebrow Kit. And then actually it comes with the wax and the powder. You guys could see. I've kind of used the wax. This was actually the first eyebrow kit that I would use when I first started off with makeup. And then it comes with this little brush and this little thing, like a little for the powder, but I honestly don't use this. I don't see the point of using this. This is pointless. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with a Morphe angled brush. Now I'm just adding the powder to where I feel like I want to add it to. And this shade is in dark. I don't remember if I said it or not. So I'm just looking to see if there's any sparse areas that I need to fill in or anything like that. So I'm just going to brush down, blend out this powder, and then brush up. And so now the last thing I like to do is I like to use the E.L.F. Brow Gel. And this is also $1. So I'm just going to pull this out. It's new, love it. And I'm just going to brush my eyebrows hairs in place where I want for them to stay. And if I feel like there's any areas that I want to fill in a little bit more, I just go back with the powder and I just brush it in. Now that it's been pretty clean, I'm going to... I feel like I haven't messed up my eyebrows that much today. Normally I just go crazy because I know that I'm going to clean it up with concealer, but since I did my makeup first and then my eyebrows, I was trying to be as careful as I could. What I'm going to end up using, the E.L.F. Maximum Coverage concealer. I like it, but honestly, it's like too messy for my life. Like, I don't even know how it gets this messy. I just don't. I can't. And I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows. And I'm using the E.L.F. concealer brush to clean them up. So I'm just going to brush it in the bottom. That's pretty much it, and I'm just going to blend this out. And then just add a little bit more powder to where I kind of went over with my concealer. And then just re-add makeup where I wanted it to. I'm just going to add some highlight and blend this out. And this is the final look. So as you can see, this is my eyebrow that I have right now. I've been trying to grow them out so you can really see the difference in my eyebrows. So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and do the other eyebrow, and then I will be right back. Okay, so that was my eyebrow routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm letting my eyebrows grow out right now, so I'm probably like super hairy around my eyebrow area. Whatever. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you do, like, subscribe, comment down below any suggestions for any future videos that you guys want to see. Yet again, thank you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I'm missing one. Instagram, Twitter, I think that's it. Yeah, so make sure, whatever, I don't know, I'm out of it. This is a new video, new year. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.